Hi, so this is the floating TELESIN handle that I'm going to use with my action camera, but I don't care about those fancy controls, but it's okay. If for you, you can use them, but in my case I'm using a DJI Osmo Action 4, and because they use the same mounting, you can use it as well, right, for any action camera, and even for GoPros. And anyways, so it comes, obviously doesn't include the camera, but it comes like this, with this and this. Also comes with a special charging cable, because you charge in this way. It's not a regular USB-C port, it's something different, but you can do it with this one. And let me show you the cable. Cable is already included. This is how the cable looks like. So just connect this here, and that's it. Is in the surface. It's not USB-C, but again it's included, so be careful, don't lose the cable. At the bottom has a 1/4 connector, so if you have a tripod or something like that, you attach it, and that's it. You already have a nice handle, and again this is special for using the water in the pool, in the ocean. And it comes also with nice wrist strap, which is really nice. I like it. Looks like a high quality product, and the price is right, so I cannot recommend you enough this one. Good, get one.